Hi guys, welcome back for another video. This is another weekly meal prep, you guys. Again, I'm going to do this for the month of March, where I'm going to try my absolute best to come back and record a what I eat in a week. No, not a what I eat in a week, a weekly meal prep for you guys. So last week I used beef and sweet potatoes, and I ate the same thing every day for 6 days. Same thing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I ate the same thing. So this week I don't want any potatoes. I'm okay with beef, so I'm going to try it another way. You guys will see. So we're making 2 different meals today for, I think I'm going to try to do 4 to 5 days. It depends on how far the meals get me, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to be doing a I'm going to be doing something with smoked turkey, and I'm going to be doing a pasta, because I love pasta. So I try to find ways to still incorporate pasta and also get my protein with it as well. Okay, I'm also going to be doing a cottage cheese sauce for the first time, and I'm gonna just see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. But yeah, this is week 2, you guys. We're gonna do 4 to 5 meals depending on how far the meals stretch, like the quantity, like how much it is, how far it stretch in regards to the meal prep. Usually I don't like to meal prep no more than like 4 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try to see you for week 3 with another weekly meal prep. We'll see. I'm gonna try to come through for you guys though. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.